welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make ragi flour from whole ragi. You will get the wholesome benefits when you make ragi flour at home. Very easy to make, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a bowl, add 2 cups of whole ragi or finger millet. You can go with your favorite brand. This is how the whole ragi looks like. Now to this, add sufficient amount of water and wash it well. Mash and mix so that the dirt gets separated. Now discard the water and add some more fresh water. Close it with a lid and let this rest for 4 hours. It's been 4 hours and the whole ragi is well soaked now. Again, discard the water and spread the grains in a cotton cloth like this. Spread it well and make sure they are completely dry. Now and then you can spread the grain so that all sides of the grain is nice and dry. It's been 15 minutes and the ragi is well dried, so transfer it to a mixer jar and grind it to a fine powder. Now our ragi flour from whole ragi is ready. You can sieve once before using. You can use this ragi flour to make idlis, dosas, appam, idiyappam, puttu, porridge and many more. You can replace any flour with this healthy ragi flour. Very healthy and definitely an immunity booster. So do try this ragi flour recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.